What up? What up, attractive ladies and men who only wish they could be as attractive as me? For the 1,000,000th time, I've tried to make this video like 1,000,000 times. Ignore that. Go to this channel. Blah, blah. Name change doesn't matter because he's still not popular YouTuber, blah, blah, blah. Hold on, we're about to go to this dude's channel because he changed his name and deleted half of his videos. Yeah, this hacker dude sucks. What? He deleted more of his videos? This doesn't make any sense. He had another video dropping some cuss words and saying, hold up. I'm about to expose this dude. Hold up, watch this video.
Hey, my name is Hacker. Oh.
Please, first of all, your name's not Hacker. I know it's you, Jaden. In fact, you don't even deserve the name Jaden. And we're just going, and by the way, I'm not going to say Chicken Lemon part 8 or something in my next Chicken Lemon video. I'm just going to say Hacker part 8 or something. Because this dude says I'm Hacker.
Hack Jaden's toys.
You're going to hack me. Ha 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 ha. The funny thing is that I just hacked my mom. Check out my video. Her channel's called Life After Law School. I hacked her. So you're messing with a pro hacker here, idiot.
That little idiot. But
okay, excuse me. I'm not the idiot when your brain is the same size of an ant.
Hey. My name.
Alright, wait up. This dude is a jerk. Bro literally asked me to hate on him, and he starts whining. He literally asked me to hate on him. Hold up. He says, I will heck you. I think. Alright. I'm responding, dislike. Mine saying, chicken and lemon or hacker as you call yourself. You, first of all, you misspelled hack, and you need to. And the thing is, you can't even hack nobody. Like to see you try to hack me. Look at the comment. He said, can you roast me? I actually like it. And when I start roasting him, he gets all, man, and mine's like a baby. He loves Whitey like a baby all the time. 'Cause he loves Whitey like a baby, loves Whitey like a baby, loves Whitey like a baby, even though he asked me. He said, remember, he commented, he said, remember me? Sad emoji. SNHU. So, no hate. Weirdo. Okay, try to go to all my community posts to see if he did anything evil. See if he did anything evil. Nope, he hasn't done anything evil. This dude is a psychopath who won't stop at anything. because he will always try to be a jerk, and destroy his own reputation. He is probably the most evilest, psychopathic villain we've ever faced. We've faced Shalilo here, and Shalilo's a whole new level of psychopathic. And now we're dealing with this psychopath. I hate to say this, but he's even more of a psychopath than Shalilo. There, I said it. Yeah, you heard it. He's more of a psychopath than Shalilo. And we all know what Shalilo does. Anyways, I gotta go. And Chicken Lemon is the biggest psychopath ever. He has gone through multiple stages of evilness. Because he's the most psychopathic of my enemies. He's the most psychopathic person I've ever met. He's not as bad as the one that shall not be named. That has a channel called Jalil 27 that none of my fans will subscribe to because she's garbage, and I forgot about her face. So yeah, I know that she has like ponytails above her head. I don't want to remember her. All I have is terrible memories of her. Well, I'm positive, at least a few positive memories with him. That's why he is the most psychopathic villain we've ever faced on the channel. He gets that award. Now, look, we hate each other now, and he's evil. I hope I never see him again. And if he actually hacks my channel, I'll know. I'll be waiting. Hacker. See ya. Bye.